And it's my pleasure today to welcome you to the first ever SOCOTEC Condominium Leadership Summit. Our global ethos is a commitment to creating a safer and more sustainable world. That commitment is especially true here in South Florida, where building safety and financial sustainability legislation is turning so much of the condominium world on its head.
The new law is geared toward making sure condominiums fully fund reserves for the components that structurally hold their building up.
Basically, a lot of these buildings have been eating cheeseburgers and smoking a pack of Marlboros every single day for 40 years. And now the doctor's telling you that you have some tough love, expensive decisions to make, or else.
This is the time where you really need a more formal operational style.
The way that all of this came together, it was amazing. We've done plenty of these things for different organizations, and I have to say that this one was white glove and world class.